What's up, YouTube? I am recording my 5th vlog here, or recording my voice, maybe like 8th vlog, I don't know. I need to go back and actually count, but that doesn't really matter. I'm just really excited because today I am getting ready to go down to my buddy JR's place down in Slow, San Luis Obispo, for those not in the know, where we will start building my van, because I'm gonna be living the van life. This big monstrosity right behind me, if you can see it in the shot. Hopefully you can. I'm recording everything kind of on some new gear. This Osmo Mobile 2 that should be tracking my face, which I rigged up a way to put my H4N Pro on the bottom of it with a shock mount and audio isolation mount made by Movo. I'll probably be doing a review of all of those because it seems to be working pretty good. We'll see in the test footage how it all turns out. But yeah, super excited. Gonna build my van. Guess I will see you down there. I am here in beautiful Atascadero at my buddy JR's place of work, where we are beginning the build of the van. Yeah, so we just got it all cleared out of all of the construction stuff.
Goes to this or what?
You can be part of it, yeah.
All right, tip number 327 for the new camper DIYer. If you're working under trees, cover your shit. Cover your nice wood with something so the trees don't drip sap.
Do it, people. Like these are some pretty nice birch boards.
Do not want oak sap on these whatsoever.
Exactly. Step 1, remove paneling. Here's JR and I getting these panels out. He's using a flathead screwdriver to pop off the little plastic bolt things that hold them in, and I collect them and help pull the panels out so that we can put insulation behind them, which brings us to step 2. And we actually don't need to insulate the floor because this version of the van comes pre-insulated. Yay! Here we go with the Thinsulate, stuffing it into all of the ribbing of the van. JR's cutting it up while I stuff it in and do a bunch of gluing and help measure. We worked as a pretty good team here. It was fun. It was a good day. It just, it took quite a while. Everything you're seeing here, that's just taken a couple of minutes, is basically a full kind of 8-hour day worth of work of JR doing a lot of that because I have an injured arm that's recovering from tendonitis surgery, and I thankfully have this wonderful friend who was able to work with me and my somewhat disability. I could only do so much work per hour with my arm getting tired, and there's even certain things I couldn't really do, like cut at all. That just uses the wrong muscles. Gonna get ready to pack up here, be about the end of day 1. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, all that. I will catch you later, YouTube.